This is the Unity Triple Mag Placard by Safe Life Defense. And it is purpose-built to carry 3 AR-15 magazines. It has an excellent retainment system combining elastic as well as a strip of high-abrasion material, ensuring that your magazine will not slide out. But if you prefer, the option to have an elastic retainment system does exist as well. One of the things that many placards struggle with is that they lift at the edges, especially when they utilize any sort of elastic. That is resolved with Unity placards. There is a built-in curve retaining system that allows you to bend it and it will hold its shape, making sure that when this placard is on your vest, there's no edges that are getting lifted or caught in any way. This is a Zone B placard, which means that it is going to install on the front lower portion of your vest. And installing it is quick and easy. If we turn over the placard on the back side, you're going to notice 4 of our mounting tabs. The left side always has your model, Triple Mag, as well as the zone that it's going to be mounted in, B, and its size. If you need help determining what size is best for your vest, refer to this simple chart. On the right-hand side, you'll always find the US flag, and that's because this is proudly 100% made in the US and always will be. To mount this, it's very simple. We're going to mount each of these tabs into the mounting slots. We're going to take each tab, it's going to go in through the top, and we're going to pull it out the bottom just a little bit. I like to do this because if you pull the tab all the way through, the placard gets a bit askew, and while you can still mount it, it just makes it a bit more difficult. And I like making things nice and easy. So once we have the base of the tabs coming out of the slots, we're going to pull each one nice and snug. You don't have to yank these or pull them very hard. That's not going to help you in any way. And once that's done, what I like to do is back it out just a hair. And the purpose of that is to alleviate any pressure that may have built up. That makes this look nice and even and flush like it's built into your vest. I'm going to press those tabs down, and the base of those tabs are going to be retained in the lower slots, allowing you to have full coverage Velcro. From there, we're going to pull this down nice and tight, and that is there for as long as you want it to be. If you want to change this out, we just do that process in reverse, and you can swap it out with any of the other Zone B placards. This is the Unity Hybrid Triple Mag Placard by Safe Life Defense.